This is a test of frequency instruments, bass, drums, distortion.
We just found some Cra-Z-Slimy
Crazy
creations. So I think you've seen one of our videos that we have made some of these slimes and we took it home.
And we made that
and
we made that squishy, did we?
Yeah. And so this is the chalkboard slime where it's black and you can put you can.
Actually, we didn't make
paint
this
on it.
into. We didn't make this into a squish. Actually, I was wrong.
Yeah. So
yeah, but the chalk one was. Just tell about it.
Okay, I done that. So that's a different type of one, but it's from the same company. So that's the one we had right there.
That was the one that I had.
This one.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, that
so
one.
you could put paint on it and this and that.
Yeah.
So this is the place where we got it from.
Good. Yeah, we're going to get that one. We already got it.
And there's other type of ones.
But we threw it in the bin. Did we?
We threw away we still have the activator, but I think we threw away something.
We just threw away the chalk, did we?
No, we didn't throw away the chalk. Oh yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did throw away the chalk. Well, can I buy that one?
Yeah, that's silly slime fun. And
yeah,
bye
silly.
guys, hope you enjoyed the video.
And you know why it's called silly slime fun?